RG-EV8240 street sweeper is a fully electric, multifunctional, real cleaning machine developed independently by Fujian Ronggang Environmental Protection Machinery Company Limited. With a sweeping width of 1.62 to 2.4 meters and a hopper capacity of 1850 liters, this machine can easily switch to snow removal tasks by replacing the sweeping components with a snow brush or snow plow attachment. Articulated chassis with flexible steering and a small turning radius, enabling it to easily clean narrow roads and corners. Strong obstacle crossing capability, easily handling steps up to 110 mm. The sweeping width is adjustable from 1.62 to 2.4 meters. 8 adjustable atomizing nozzles for effective dust suppression. The flap opens and closes to facilitate the intake of larger debris. The maximum sweeping width reaches to 0.4 meters. With a sweeping efficiency of over 97%, easily handling debris such as sand, gravel, and leaves. The 1850 Lopper features a durable aluminum alloy design. It is powered by a 70 kWh battery pack, providing stable operation for 11 to 14 hours. Dual seat cap. Adjustable steering assembly for comfortable operation. Easy to use electro-hydraulic control panel. Touchscreen LCD dashboard with one-touch operation for sweeping functionality. The cab's heating and cooling system ensures year-round comfort. Front and rear high-definition driving cameras. Equipped with a built-in fire hose and a quick fill port to refill the 386L large capacity water tank quickly. Easy to detach handheld suction pipe with strong suction power for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Self-dumping 1850L hopper with a dumping height of 1,580 mm. The machine features a high-pressure cleaning function. Simply attach the water gun to perform high-pressure cleaning tasks. After the operation, the street sweeper can be cleaned and serviced for maintenance. The machine is available with an optional snow brush attachment. The snow brush can swing left and right and has flexible lifting and lowering capabilities, easily handling accumulated snow. The quick connect design allows for fast attachment replacement. Additionally, a snow plow can be optionally installed to handle thicker snow.